Okay, so today I'm going to show you in Canva here how to wrap some text around a circle. Pretty simple to do, so let's jump into it. All right, so I'm here in Canva. I do have the Pro model or the Pro version, but we're going to go and get a circle. So we're going to go here into Elements. We're going to just type circle. Let's see what comes out, and this comes out right here. So we're going to grab it, put it right here. Let's make it a different color just to make it pop. And now it's going to be in red, and we're just going to go like this. Kind of put it right here in the middle. Now, this could be a logo. This could be anything, right? Maybe it's a logo for your company or something like that. So you're going to have to work with this. So we're going to wrap some text and we're going to go around here and maybe around here as well. So we're going to go to text and we're going to add up a text box. We're going to write here, hello, everyone. I'm going to put this one right here, kind of in the top. And again, whatever you're going to put in there, that's going to be up to you. We're going to copy and paste, maybe put something like thanks for watching. And I'm going to put this one right here in the bottom, right? So, all right, so we're going to make this, kind of make it look the same. Obviously, you have a lot of flexibility here. But if I come up here to the fonts, I could pick something feeling passionate. Let's click on that one, right? Make it a little bit bigger. Do the same thing with the one in the bottom. Make it a little bit bigger as well, just so I can see it. All right, so from here, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come up here to effects, and then I'm going to go down here where it says curve, and then I'm going to curve it, and now I could kind of play with it, right? I could just go like this, kind of make it bigger, and then kind of play with it a little bit. So essentially, I could go back into effects, and if you see down here, there is a degree, right? So I'm going to kind of go here and I'm going to wrap it like this. And again, I'm just going to try to make it as circle as it can around there, right? We're just going to be playing with the numbers right here. Kind of see how you bring it closer right there. So you're going to keep playing with it until you make it nicely, right? So that's going to be right here in the top. Now here in the bottom, we're kind of going to do the same thing. Let's go ahead and get the same side. This is 72.6. So I'm going to click right here and put 72.6. We're going to do enter, and we're going to make sure that it's in one line like that. And then we're kind of going to do the same thing. It's right here in the middle. We're going to go to effects and we're going to curve it. But this time, instead of going into the, I guess into the right, we're going to go a little bit into the left. We're going to do the same thing. And you can see how it start curving right there, right? And this one actually curves a little bit better because it has more letters, right? So let's go ahead here, kind of move it around a little bit, maybe bring it a little bit down and right there. Hello, everybody. Thanks for watching. Very, very simple. I mean, didn't take so much. So again, if you have a logo, something that you're working with and you want to put some letters around that circle, this is kind of what you can do right here in Canva. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.